Hi dear students, welcome to this Ayushi online classes. I am Monika here. In our previous videos, we have solved exercise 6.3 examples. Today we are going to solve next example from exercise 6.3. All links I will give in description box. Let's see how to solve this 15th one. First we have to, already I drawn AB is a pole and D is a tower. So first we have to write here given. Solution. Here first we have to write given. What given to us? Here height of a pole. Height of a pole, that is equal to AB is equal to 6 meter, and length of a pole of shadow. Length of a pole of shadow, that is BC is equal to 4 meter. And length of shadow of tower, this given EF. E and EF. This is length of a shadow of tower, that is equal to EF is equal to 28 meter. To find, what we need to find here? Height of tower. Height of tower, that is DE. We need to find out D or E. Solution. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Here angle B is equal to angle E is equal to 90. Both 90 here. Yes. Next, angle C is equal to angle F. Why this? Because same elevation in both the cases. In both the cases, both shadows are cast at the same time. Why this is equal? Because same elevation in both the cases, both shadows are cast at the same time. This is the reason for that. So AA similarity. We can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. We know that if two triangles are similar, we know that if two triangles are similar, ratio of their sides are in proportion. Ratio of their sides in proportion. Yes. So I will write here next. We know that if two triangles are similar, ratio of their sides in proportion. So we can write here ratio, that is AB by D is equal to BC by EF. AB we know that 6 divided by D. We need to find out D. BC given 4 divided by 28. Now 6 into cross multiplication is equal to 4 into DE. Next, here cross multiplication 6 into 28. So D is equal to 6 into 28 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28. DE is equal to 6 into 7. So DE is 40. D is equal to 42 meter. Next, 16th one. Next, 16th one. If AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR, where triangle ABC is similar to PQR, prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Solution. First, we have to write given. Here given we know that triangle ABC and triangle PQR, and also AD is median and PM is median, and also given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Prove what we have to prove what we have to prove here, that is AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Next, proof. Proof AD is median. 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 So we can write here BD is equal to CD is equal to half BC. We can write. Similarly, PM is median. PM is median of triangle PQR. So we can write here this QM is equal to MR is equal to half of QR. Now we know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If two triangles are similar, we know that corresponding ratio are in proportion. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. So here AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. AB by PQ is equal to, I will write BC here. BC I will write 2BD and QR I will write 2QM. 2QM. This 2 get cancelled. Next here. Next is 2 3 get cancelled here. Next we can write, that is AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. Yes, this is one. Also, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So, corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. We know that corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. So we can write angle B is equal to angle Q, that is equation 2. Now in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, here angle B is equal to angle Q, and also we know that AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. By SAS similarity. By SAS similarity. By SAS we can write triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. Since corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional, corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion, so we can write AB by PQ is equal to this AD by PM. Hence, true. I hope you understood this. If you like, please share and subscribe.